I just received this email from the 72-hour challenge, the Freedom Accelerator program. My currently unpaid balance is $92, and it's really interesting, and I want to share with you the strategy I'm using. I'm going to share with you two strategies. The first one is simplest, although I don't recommend it because you are building someone else's business. Basically, you have here your affiliate link, and the only thing you need to do is drive traffic from YouTube, TikTok, Facebook, Pinterest, and Instagram to this link. And you can do that by creating content about the things you are promoting. A good strategy is to use content marketing, in which you are showing your own journey with the product. And if someone buys through your affiliate link, you will get a commission. I'm using the second method. I have here my traffic sources, here's my affiliate link, and between these two steps I have created an opt-in page, and I put a Google Pixel inside of this opt-in page to create remarketing ads in the future. And why this step is so important? Because you can collect an email address, and once you have collected the information, you can redirect those persons to your affiliate link. One thing you need to know about sales is that people don't buy in the first contact. That's why we need to create this follow-up system to nurture people, give to them value, and inside of these emails you can put your affiliate link. And with this strategy you can help your customers to go from a point A, which is a point of massive pain, to a point B, which is when they reach their goal. And the other thing about this method is that you can create your own personal brand, but more importantly, you are building your own audience. Now, let me show you the software I'm using and other some important things you need to know. So, I built my opt-in page with Clickfunnels. Now, let me show you the funnel I'm using for the 5-second silent video method. This funnel has two pages, the opt-in page and the thank you page. I built a simple opt-in page to collect leads. Now, let me show you my stats. If I click here, these numbers are from March 2023. As you can see, I have 20% of opt-in rate. That means that if I send 100 people to my page, I could get 20 emails. Once people put their information inside of the opt-in page, they will have access to the thank you page, in which I have a video. I have here this button if they want to contact by Facebook. And also, I have put here my affiliate link for the 72-hour challenge. Furthermore, I'm telling to them that please check their emails or the spam folder, because I will send to them my free training. If you want to get access to this software, Clickfunnels, I'm going to put my affiliate link in the description so you can have access to a 14-day free trial. Now, let me show you the automation part. And I'm using Getresponse for my autoresponders. So I'm going to click here, Tools, then Automation, then Freedom Accelerator. So when people subscribe to this list, the Freedom Accelerator list by any method, I'm going to send to them these two emails. The first one is a free welcome message, and the other is my own story. Inside of the first email, you can see, let me show you. I'm going to click here and edit message. I recorded a quick training, and if they want to access, they only need to click here on free class here. And if they want to join my Facebook group, they can click here. And if they click here, they are going to download the 7 steps to becoming a super affiliate, which is an ebook created by Jonathan Montoya. Then Getresponse is going to wait for 1 day, and then it's going to send the second message, which is another training. On the third day, I'm going to share with my subscribers my free traffic strategies. And on the fourth day, I'm going to send to them a bonus. And then what you can do is keep providing value to your email list. So here I'm sending a video about how to use Clickfunnels, and I can put here more and more emails to promote more products and to give more valuable information. I have been using this software for many years, and if you want to get access, I'm going to put my affiliate link in the description so you can have access to a free trial. Now let me show you. These are the Getresponse plans. They have a free plan and they include email marketing, website builder. You can connect your own domain, lists for up to 500 contacts. You can build landing pages and sign up and contact forms. I'm using the paid plans, and for Clickfunnels they have a 14 free day trial, and these are the plans. They have a basic plan, a pro plan, and the funnel hacker plan. They have two options. I'm using the Clickfunnels Classic for my opt-in pages. Another important thing you need to know about affiliate marketing is that you will need to put in the work. The business model is simple to understand, but you need to create content on all of your social media platforms every day to start driving traffic to your own funnel. Some people succeed fast, but for me it took me basically 1 year to get my first affiliate marketing commission. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments, and talk to you soon. Bye.